All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2016 Dodge Charger. It is the SXT model, this beautiful black with black interior, premium sound system, stereo controls, heated seats, alloy wheels, super nice, only 37,000 miles. Check out your front bumper. Looks pretty decent. Your hood looks pretty good. Does have a scuffing here. Let's see, about 6 inches right there from here to here. A dent here, 3, 6, about 9 inches from here to here. That would paint off on that fender. Got another little ding there, very small, but it is there. Other than that, we look pretty good. Your front driver's rim, very nice. Has some curbing here, about 2 inches. All right, let's check out your tire thread, which is just at the line of 7/32. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks pretty nice. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing on here. And your tire thread just at the line as well as 7/32. It's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door lights, your power mirrors, your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. It is a powered seat. Jump in here. Turn it on. Push start system. Boom. Does come with one key fob combo and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Touch screen here. Got your driver heated stuff. Boom. There it is. There's your controls. There's your radio. You know, you got stuff here. Got your AC controls on this side as well as this side. AC controls, Your steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. You got your AC controls right down below. It is dual AC controls, as you can see. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on except for tire pressure light on. And your mileage of 37,659. All right, that pretty much completes the tour for in here. Keeping it moving, open up the trunk. Right. Here's your rear passenger seat and what that looks like. No holes, no tears, no rips. Does have an armrest with cup holders coming around. Rear bumper looks pretty good. Your rear trunk space, pretty nice. Does have a spare tire here with a cargo netting. Your owner's manual is back there. All right. Pretty much is it. Let's see what this thing looks like. Looks good. Quarter here. Looks good. Here's your rear passenger rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing here. And your tire thread is just at the line of 7/32. This door looks pretty good. Here's your rear passenger seat. The other side of it, no holes, no tears, no rips. Does have rear AC vents as well. This door, I do see a dent right there. Some paint off, but it is there. That's about it. Here's the front passenger seat. No holes, no tears. Got a little burn mark right there. Boom. That's about it. This fender looks good. Here's your front passenger rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing there. And your tire thread is just at 7/32. Actually curbing here about 2 inches. All right. That pretty much completes the tour. Lights are on. Things are happening. My man is sleeping. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, a 2016 Dodge Charger SXT model with 37,000 miles. Any questions, concerns, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.